Welcome to you all to this Swamikesh channel once again. So please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment also. So welcome to you all once again, Swamikesh talk. So today's topic we brought here is sensational GHMC elections result. So what happened here? Three parties majorly they stood in the contestant. Four parties they stood actually. Finally, three parties. No party has got a clear mandate here. So what happens? Whether the sensational news is BJP is emerging as the alternative to the Telangana. They grabbed a huge number of seats, but others were not expected this. So previously when it comes to the 2014 elections, TRS party, the ruling party, grabbed 99 seats. Majority of seats they won and they took the mayor, deputy mayor posts all. Then what happened here? So BJP has emerged the alternative to the Telangana. This is the sensational topic which is going on. Whether the BJP has not won the majority seats, though they are celebrating, because last time their number is 4, this time they got the number to 48. This is the improvement they showed. So what is happening? What is the analysis according to my knowledge? Based on the news channels and the public report, I am doing this analysis. So what is happening here? So huge gain, moral victory. The BJP are celebrating moral victory. Then how? What is happening? So how the campaign went on? Three parties, four parties especially, the ruling party, strong TRS, Mr. K.T. Ramarao led total campaign. He deployed all his party members, especially MLAs, MPs, ministers, MLCs also. So some of the member of parliament also, they went on the streets for every door-to-door campaign. They did rallies, especially road shows. Is done by Mr. K.T. Ramarao. So K.T. Ramarao and even though Mr. Chief Minister, Telangana Chief Minister, so K. Chandrasekhar also led the campaign. He also conducted huge public gathering in the parade grounds and he displaced all what they are going to do in Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. That is good. So most of the TRS, they depend on their schemes, what they already started, that schemes which are helping them to gain more votes, that schemes they campaigned. And what they are going to do, especially the bill they brought, that 50% discount in the tax, all these very good laws they brought. So that people thought these are going to grab the votes for a TRS party. So most of the MLAs, MPs and everybody, they went on campaigning. So that is the thing that TRS has done. So most of their schemes, they campaigned in the GHMC elections. So most of the GHMC means educated voters are there, no rural sector, it is completely town area, city area, most of this. How they do? This is the TRS which that have done. So whereas most of the TRS focused on BJP only. So sorry, Congress went on to the 4th number this time. So what happened here? BJPs, when it comes to the BJP, so they are very good in the campaign. Strong counter attacks also they have done towards the TRS. That is good. Road shows, door-to-door campaigns, all these things they have done. That is also fantastic. So most of the BJP means we have a mind, a strong mind which comes in your mind. It is the Hindutva agenda, their agenda. So Bandi Sanjay, Secretary State President Mr. Bandi Sanjay, Dharmapuri Arvind, Member of Parliament. So and so members, they also deployed all the seats and they went on campaigning. That is good. So most of the BJP is concentrated on the tying up of the party, that is TRS party, with MIM. So as we know, BJP won't like the Muslims, maybe. So they blamed the relationship of TRS party, Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao, and MIM. So Muslim parties. So what happened here? They brought Babar, Akbar, Qasim Rajvi, oh many things. Sanjay's words, if we see, surgical strikes also he mentioned. When they will occupy the mayor post, he said they are going to do the surgical strikes on old city. This is a strange comments, controversial comments also hit it. Okay, so this is the thing which happened. This is about BJP, same they have done. So most of the BJP members, whom they deployed for the campaigning is Tejasvi Surya, the young sensation in India, Vijayawada resident, Yogi Adityanath, UP Chief Minister also they brought, and Devendra Fadnavis, Maharashtra, Karnataka leaders, some other JP Nanda, Amit Shah, as usual they did campaign. So this is a just corporation elections, but BJP has took it as a serious because they won in Dubbaka by polls. That is boosted. Very good. So that is that there is an impact they created. So when it comes to the MIM Muslim Ittehadul Muslimin MIM party, which is led by Asaduddin Owaisi and Akbaruddin Owaisi brothers, they also did campaign. They are very strong in their segments. You know, old city which we will call very, very stronger. They won't allow others to win in that places. So that is they almost tried with the TRS party also. That is the thing. MIM. When it comes to the Congress, Uttam Kumar, Revanth Reddy, Mallu Bhatti Vikramarka, some other leaders also they did campaigning. Last time their number is good. They are also expected the people will support the change. So Telangana people supported the change. 100% people supported change. But this time they went for the choosing of BJP only. So what TRS, the counter-attacks given to the BJP, when BJP comes into the ruling, what happens? Hindu, so the peace and harmony of Hyderabad may gets disturbed. This is the thing they blamed. So TRS ruled 6 years. There is no incident which is occurred regarding Muslim and Hindu. There is no curfews, there is no fights, there is no communal rivals, all these things. So they maintain law and order in the proper way. So BJP, TRS mostly blamed BJP's agendas, Hindutvas. They may go into create the fights between, rivals between Hindu and Muslim, these are the things. So when it comes to the Bhagya Lakshmi temple, you can see Darussalam, that words also they brought. PV got, or NTR gods, they also brought into the election campaign. So sorry to say these are. So what happened? Then what are the things that led to the TRS to decrease their number from 99 to 55? This number, what I got, 55. What is the impact? Does the opposition created in the Telangana against the ruling party, Mr. Gulabi Bas, whether the pink Hyderabad is turning into saffron? National media is shouting here. Of course, yes, I can tell. Because last it is 99, the opposition is created. Anger people started against the TRS. Especially floods created any impact here on ruling party. Whether the BJP encashed all this, MIM stood constant in its places, very good. So the opposition created or not, the question is going on. So huge blow for the TRS. They failed in getting the majority seats, especially. Their magic number not at all got. Possibilities are there for TRS only. Ex-officio members, MLAs, MPs, so many are there. With that they can get on. Or else they can grab. So they can take the support of MIM also to get the mayor post, deputy mayor, all this. There will be an understanding between them, I can say. Or if MIM opposes, what TRS is going to do to get the mayor seat? Whether they are going to attract the BJP councillors into the TRS? Maybe that will be the thing should be done. So Congress, when it comes to the Congress, they stood with 3 number. Very sad. National party once upon a time, they led the government's ruling at the time. They are not at all standing as a strong opponent to the ruling party TRS. So most of the opposition is created. Whether the BJP is expanding their foots in the Telangana state, 100% correct. From the Dubbaka, now GHMC, next Nagarjuna Sagar by elections, next Warangal Khammam Corporation elections also there. So BJP, 100% they are executing their plans. So They themselves, they are telling, even people also told they are the opponents or alternative to the TRS party. So this is an analysis of Swami case on GHMC elections. Probably I can tell BJP is going to expand their memberships in Telangana state. So central is almost helping them. Central leaders are cooperating here. Even though Hindi they will talk, also they are grabbing the vote share here. This is the my analysis on GHMC elections. So please subscribe.